This video teaches you how to open a file with the .docx file extension using Microsoft Word Online. Go to https://www.office.com in a web browser. Log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can create one at https://en-us/account by clicking Create a Microsoft Account. Click the Word icon. You'll see it in the row of icons near the top of the page. Click Upload and Open. Select the .docx file and click Open. This uploads the .docx file and displays it in the free version of Microsoft Word. In addition to viewing the document, you can also use Office Online to edit it. To save the edited version to your computer when you're finished, click the File menu at the top left corner of the page, click Save As, and then select Download a Copy. Using Google Drive, go to https://drive.google.com in a web browser. If you're not already signed in to a Google/Gmail account, click the Go to Google Drive button and then sign in or create an account now. Click the plus New button. It's near the top left corner of the page. A menu will expand. Click File Upload. This opens your computer's file browser. Select the .docx file and click Open. This uploads the file to Google Drive. When the file is finished uploading, it will appear in your file list. Double-click the file name to see a preview. Select Google Docs from the Open With menu. Once selected, the file will open in the Google Docs editor. If you want to edit the file, you can do so in this editor. Your changes will be saved automatically to the uploaded file in Google Drive. To download the edited version of the file, click File, select Download, and then select the desired format. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.